So hi guys, a very good morning to all of you, and welcome to Morning Market Brief. So first of all, let's start the analysis from SGX, right? Okay, so looking at the SGX right now, we can see that market is opening with a gap down of almost 55 points, and market is trading near again 15,700. So you can see that is a very good support for the market right now. Okay, now let's move to the Nifty, and we see the technical chart first. Okay. Okay, so looking at the technical chart, as we've already discussed, market is having a good support at 15,700, and we've talked about that 15,500 again was a good support for the market, and we have seen that Nifty fell towards that level, and again we recovered from that level. Okay, so on the high side again we are facing resistance around 15,800 and 16,000, right? Okay, so let's see how market behaves after this. Now let's go for the OI analysis. Okay. So looking at the OI of Nifty right now, we cannot conclude anything because it's a mixed data, right? Okay. So market might be likely to consolidate only, right? Okay. So just trade with the levels that we have discussed, right? Okay. Now let's move to the option chain OI. Right. Okay. So now we can simply see that the highest call option right now, the immediate highest call option is at 16,000. On the lower side, we can see 15,500 is again a very good support, right? Okay. So just focus on these levels, and market is likely to trade in the 500 points range. Okay. Now talking about Bank Nifty specifically. Okay. So Bank Nifty, we can simply see that on the higher side, we can see 34,000 is the level. On the lower side, 36,000 is the level, right? So 33,000 is the level. So this 1,000-point range we are anticipating, to be traded in Bank Nifty, right? Okay. Now let's check the OI. Okay, so again a mixed data in this index also, so not a clear sign from Bank Nifty in this case, right? Okay, so let's see how, if market breaks this level, we're going to get a trend. Till the time we are just only going to have a range bound session, right? Okay, now let's see what happened in the we'll see the index contributor, right? Okay. Fine. Okay, so let's see for the previous session. Okay, so you can see majorly we have seen a drop in the oil sector because of the Reliance, right? Okay, so that's a negative contribution from the Reliance. NBFC looks positive, private banks looks bit positive, IT, and FMCG, they all contributed on the positive side, but oil is the only thing which is contributing on the negative side, right? Okay, so now let's see the stocks that likely to be in a focus today. Okay, so we'll go with the trap indicator. The first stock seems to be okay with Bajaj Auto. So Bajaj Auto gave the sell signal right now. Okay, so it's gave a signal around 2600, 3600, right? Okay, 3625. Okay, so now if we go and check Bajaj Auto from here. Okay. Now let's check the chart of Bajaj Auto. So it gave us a sell signal. Okay, so anyhow the stock has to break 3600 level. Okay, and I would be saying 3680 would be a stop loss because this is near the yesterday's high. Okay, so let the stock break 3600, then we'll get a further breakdown in this. Okay, just we can confirm with the future built up. Okay, so not again not a clear data, but in the last trading session we have a short, but the quantum is still very less. So again we'll wait for market to break 3600 in this case. Okay, so the Bajaj Auto is weak below 3600. Okay, now let's talk about the another stock that we can get. So the next stock that we can simply go and check from the built up. Okay, so I have one stock in my mind, so let's see if that work turned out to be good. So let's go with the Auropharma. Okay, The stock is actually in the consolidation zone. Okay, you'll see, but the stock is, looks weak in this range. Okay, even though. So if we simply go and check the OI here, so mostly the stock looks weak. Okay, so anyhow, in this higher range, if the stock moves towards 540, 550, right? Okay, there could be a good selling level because the structure of the Auropharma looks weak right now. Okay, and on the lower side, we can anticipate a level of 500 in this stock. Okay, and we'll likely to trade in this range only, right? Okay, any further down breakdown below 500 would be the next level we can see is 480. Okay, so Bajaj Auto and Auropharma both looks weak. Will go short in this. Okay, then let's go for the ban list. So no stock because the new expiry is there, so no stock in the ban list right now. Okay, so guys, that's all from my side. I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye and take care.